Honorable EM Sports and Youth Affairs, Shri Shuhel Debbarma. Shri Uma Shankar Debbarma, Member of District Council. Shri Ganesh Debbarma, Member of District Council. Shri Debojit Tripura, Member of District Council. Shri Robindra Debbarma, Member of District Council. Shri Ronjit Debbarma, Chairman. Shri C.K. Jamatia, CEO, TT ADC. I also request our President to kindly welcome our special guests on the dais, Mr. Prem Anand S., Chief Business Officer, Telemedicine, ATHS, Dr. John V. S., Senior Advisor, Special Projects, AHEL, and Dr. Karan Thakur, Apollo Health Enterprises. May I request Dr. Pinky and Dr. Minoti to kindly felicitate our guests on the dais with floral bouquet and a risha. Please give a big round of applause for Shri Pradit Vikram Kishore Debbarma, our Honorable His Royal Highness the Royal Son of the Glorious Manikya Dynasty Maharaja, Chairman Administrative Advisory Reforms Committee TTADC. Please give a big round of applause for Shri Purno Chandra Jamatia, Honorable CEM TTADC. Shri Shuhel Debbarma, Honorable EM, Sports and Youth Affairs. Shri Uma Shankar Debbarma, Member of District Council. Shri Ganesh Debbarma, Member of District Council. Shri Debojit Tripura, Member of District Council. Shri Robindra Debbarma, Member of District Council. Shri Ronjit Debbarma, Chairman ZDC West. Shri C.K. Jamatia, CEO, TTADC. Our special guest, Mr. Prem Anand S., Chief Business Officer, Telemedicine, ATHS. Dr. John V. S., Senior Advisor, Special Projects, AHEL. Dr. Karan Thakur, Apollo Hospitals Enterprise Limited. Our President of today's program, Shri Khwmulong Sir, Honorable EM Health Services. I take this opportunity to welcome Shri Pranab Sharkar, Secretary Agartala Council, to kindly come to the dais. I request Dr. Pinky and Dr. Minoti to kindly felicitate sir. Thank you. Hornian daro chati kashani pohor chung chachasumi khaya. Khachangman yakpai boriwo. Bini pohor bai, bini putung bai, khao khapurma bo phayo. The very essence of life on earth is light. Through its warmth, we embrace the Almighty and invoke His blessings before we embark on any new venture in our lives. May I humbly request our inaugurator, and all our esteemed guests on the dais to kindly inaugurate today's inaugural program by lighting the ceremonial lamp. I request our inaugurator for today's program, Shri Pradut Vikram Kishore Debbarman, Chairman AAARC, TTAADC. I also request our esteemed guests on the dais.